Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your handwritten text to a computer generated text. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to write online ocr.net. Once you do that, now wait for the website to respond. Once the website gets load, here you're gonna see it will ask you to upload the text file. Just simply upload the text file of which you want to generate the computer generated text, and the maximum file size should be 15 megabytes. And select the language of the text that you want to convert. There are multiple languages that are supported, and select the type of document that you want and just simply hit convert, and all your text that have been in a handwritten format will be converted to the computer generated text. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.